And this video is we're going to see how quick we can scrap out this Kenwood 900 watt microwave, and we'll see what we get out of it and how fast we do it, so people can have an idea of how long it takes to do a microwave. Obviously you can take your time, or you'll probably find quicker ways than what I'm doing it on this one, but it'll give you a very rough idea on how long it takes. I've set up a tablet just over the back here, which I'll press start, and then we'll stop it when we've got everything out. So I'll just turn this around first, and then we'll make a start. So I'll just press start on the timer. There we go, it's counting. I've lost 5 seconds just by doing that. Never mind. We'll go for the little motor underneath, which is probably going to slow me down a lot, but it's one screw older than that. Cut the wires off. It's always the way when you know you're recording and you're trying to do something as fast as possible. Things always slow you down, or you make mistakes because you've got that added pressure of trying to do it as quick as you can. But if you didn't have that extra pressure, you'd probably do it quicker. So I'll undo all the screws I can. These are the ones for the transformer on the bottom. That was one there. Hopefully the top will come off nice. Maybe not. There we go, making lots of noise at the same time. Like I say, probably would be quicker if I wasn't timing myself, because when you start rushing you make mistakes or forget something. Try and get all the wires loosened and disconnected. So some people will probably just get a hammer and smash hell out of this. Move this transformer out the way. And we'll check in a minute to see if that's an aluminium or copper transformer. Now my luck, it'll probably be a copper one, but never mind. I always remove these as well. I think they're thermal switches, but they have bits of copper, brass and silver contacts inside, so I do like to take them as well. Plus the 3 little switch relays, or switches I should say, not relays. Little switches, good for copper, brass and silver contacts. There's a nice copper coil, and there's bits of copper wrapped around as well. So you can get the circuit board out. Sorry, my head's in the way a minute. Close the front off so I can get the board out. Which I like the boards because it's a couple of ICs, boom, some relays, crystal oscillator, and the handle is aluminium as well, I think. So I'll remove that. Take off the Magnetron. There's the Magnetron with a bit of brass, aluminium, the magnets and some copper inside. But that's one side. So that's it, stripped down and gone. So that is 8 minutes and 47 seconds, which you could probably shave a minute off that easy, but that's everything that I go for on here. I'll just move that. I'll just put the top back on. I'll sort that out in a minute. So, I've got the Magnetron, little fan motor, a circuit board, some single wires. Once I've cut all the ends off, put the thermal switches, small board, fuse, couple of brass prongs and little copper toroid. It's a couple of switches, copper and brass and silver contacts. Got a small motor from underneath. And handle. It's aluminium, so that's a bonus. And let's have a look to see if this is copper or aluminium. As you can see, shiny silver. So that one's aluminium. Let's have a look to see if the top one is copper or aluminium. That's aluminium as well. So both coils aluminium on that one, so not worth as much. So that's everything I go for out of a microwave, and took 8 minutes 47 seconds, which, like I say, you can show you a little bit of time off that. So hope that helps people with how long it takes to strip a microwave and what you get out of it, if you think it's worth it. Which on the previous video I think I do show you how much things actually value of them are, but I won't do it on this one because there's not a lot, so it's not going to be that interesting. So I hope you like that video. If you do, like, subscribe and all the usual stuff, or comment in the bottom and tell me where I could improve on the process of me doing it, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.